My name is Chris Linder. I'm the project coordinator for Live from the Poles, an educational outreach project funded by the National Science Foundation to bring the story of science on ice to a diverse worldwide audience. The first expedition will begin in April 2007, and that will be to the North Pole. We'll be following a group of engineers as they install an ice-based observatory on the pack ice. So essentially we'll be traveling by a ski-equipped plane and landing on the ice at the North Pole and living in tents at a camp called Borneo. The scientific objective of the April 2007 expedition is to monitor the changing environment at the North Pole and the Central Arctic Basin. The instruments that the researchers are deploying are long-term monitoring instruments which are designed to measure the environmental conditions both above and below the ice for a long period of time. In this way, we'll be able to find how the environment is changing. In addition to the materials that are going to be on the Polar Discovery website, updated daily, we're going to also be featuring some live talks, an opportunity for people to interact in real time with us while we're on the ice and ask whatever questions are on their mind. We're going to do this through a network of museum partners from Boston to San Diego. At predetermined times during our expeditions, we'll be making phone calls using an Iridium satellite phone back to museum audiences at these different locations. And these talks will be scheduled, and the times that they're going to be broadcast will be listed on the Polar Discovery website. And so be sure to tune in if there's a museum near you that's hosting one of these talks. Live from the Poles will help heighten public awareness during International Polar Year by bringing cutting-edge science to a worldwide diverse audience of students, teachers, and the general public. I hope you join us for these exciting expeditions that are going to take place during International Polar Year, either online or at our partner museums across the country. Tune in to find out what happens next from the Arctic and Antarctic.